October 25th, 2010. This is today's climate change update. Let's start with the big earthquake in Indonesia. 7.7 magnitude earthquake hit Indonesia today. I reported on that earlier. We've also had two major aftershocks, a 6.1 and a 6.2 today in the same area. According to Scott.net, Britain freezes in coldest October night for 17 years as mercury plummets to -6 degrees centigrade. Given the unexpectedly cold nights Britain has been enduring over the last few days, you'd be forgiving for thinking it was January instead of October. So that's what's going on Scott.net today, or The Living Planet. Several reports on IceAgeNow.com. Antarctica, highest September snowfall on record. Third largest sea ice extent. 17 October, September 2010 was the third largest sea ice extent on record, behind 2006. Wild winter ahead. Why can't they just call it global cooling? Today, October 25th, when the Pacific Ocean warms, they call it global warming. But when the Pacific cools, oh, that's another story. That's caused by a natural cycle. I will link the story below. Near blizzard conditions for Colorado, up to 22 inches of snow. Early season heavy snowfall in Washington and Idaho. Heavy snow for Washington and Oregon. And major winter storm for Utah, 1 to 2 feet of snow. All of those are on report. That's about it for Ice Age Now. Now in the RSOE, they're reporting on the volcano in Indonesia. Of course, that's where the earthquakes were. They evacuated 11,000 people, and they've had more activity in the last couple of days than they had in the bigger ones, so they're expecting a really large, massive eruption out of this thing. RSOE is also reporting on the cholera outbreak in Haiti. Almost 300 people have died so far, and they're just having a hell of a time down there. Also, we had a landslide reported in Wyoming. Apparently a 4.8 earthquake caused a landslide in northwest Wyoming. Burma is reporting on the tropical storm, the Giri, I think, that hit last week, and they're having all kinds of problems in the aftermath of that. They also have an oil rig on fire in Burma as well. See what else. The earthquake did cause a tsunami, RSOE is reporting, but a small one. All the alerts have been canceled, that kind of thing. And that's about it for the RSOE. Now, as far as spaceweather.com goes, fastest growing sunspot group 1117 more than tripled in size over the weekend. The active region has not yet produced a major eruption, but it is crackling with picturesque B-class solar flares. Stay tuned for updates. We are definitely underneath the solar winds right now. At 10:58 p.m. Central Time, the speed is 647.5 kilometers per second. That's up there. And that is about it from spaceweather.com. So as things happen, I will let you know, and if you find out anything I haven't reported on, please let me know. Other than that, enjoy it while you can. Thanks.